Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem that your iPhone is getting hot or overheating. So first thing first, go to settings, then general and iPhone storage, and make sure that you have enough space on your iPhone, enough free space. That's first thing. The second thing, make sure that your iPhone go to software update and make sure that your iPhone is up to date. As you can see, I have new version of iOS. Just click on update and update now. So it's all done. The last thing that you can do, that called force restart. Just click on a volume up button, then volume down button, then power button, and keep pressing power button. So volume up, volume down, and keep pressing power button until your iPhone will turn off and start restarting. So that's all that you can do with that problem. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.